Why do you support Obama?
Because I like him on education and crime. I like his policies and issues. I like his policy on education and crime. I like his stance on the war, and I just think it's a good change for the country.
How do you feel about the war tonight?
Tears came to my eyes, really. And the reason why tears came to my eyes is because I counted about maybe 15 or 20 young people, yourself included, but younger than you. And that's what really brought it home to me. I saw a lot of young men here, young men 7, 8, 9, 10 years old, and I could see the look in their eyes when everyone started cheering. They were looking around, and I could see the emotion in them saying, you know, and I even said to one of them, that could be you one day, and he smiled because he knew it could be him one day.
One last question. The first African American born today.
The first African American was born today? Really? The first African, I don't understand.
The first African American in existence born today
In America? Wow. For real?
1621.
For real?
Yeah.
I have a question though. What do you have to say to people that have been on the fence about the candidates and the choices? So we've heard a lot of different arguments from the black community, and especially some of us that lean a little bit more to the right or right of center.
Right. I would say to them, just look at Iowa. It's 95% non-African American. So I would just tell them, you know, make the choice that you want to make, but at the end of the day, look at your kids' faces when you make that choice and tell me what they say to you when you make that choice.